go to your browser, either your Chrome or your Google, and type chatgtp.com. You can also go to your Play Store or your Apple's store and download chatgtp.com, but because of space I do use my browser, so I'll just go straight to the browser and type chatgtp.com. When you type it, it will take you to the home page and you scroll. If you want to install, they will give you option to install the app, but if you don't want, you click against it. Then once you enter the home page of the app, you scroll down, you will see where they will ask you, what can I help you with? You scroll down and you see option where you can type a text. Under there, you can type all the things you need, all the ingredients that you have. You can put it in there. As you can see mine, I typed that I have rice, beans, potatoes, garri, egusi soup, okra soup, red oil, groundnut oil, vegetables, crayfish, pepper, fish. Just play around it. Type everything that you have at home, and after typing, you click on this arrow, the white arrow that looks like arrow that is pointing up. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will create a timetable for you. Like, it will bring out a detailed timetable based on the ingredients you put in. Okay, let's wait so you see how my own came out. It was very detailed. I was like, what all this stressing myself and my brain thinking of what to cook and all that, where I can just use one app and it will bring it out for me. So after typing in all the ingredients, you now ask the ChatGTP, prepare a Nigerian weekly meal, or the one you want, with the above ingredients. They will reply you, great, with the ingredients you have, we can create a budget-friendly and nutritious meal, blah blah blah. As you can see, my timetable is getting ready. They've grouped the timetable based on the day 1 to day 7, using those ingredients and tweaking it in a way that is healthy and accommodating everyone in the family. So you can scroll down. After this, you scroll down, you will see option on how you want the timetable, whether you want it to be printed or you want it the format you want it. So they will ask you. Meanwhile, I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to my subscribers, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for contributing for the growth of this channel. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, kindly join the family. The family is all about motherhood, health-related topics, and entrepreneurship. The door is always open to welcome you. Let's go back to the video. Here it comes. They will ask you, would you like a shopping list or printable version of this plan, or would you like it to be tailored down? But they will just ask you and you have to respond based on how you want it. Me, I want a printable one that I can paste in my kitchen and be following it up while preparing or planning my meal. So I typed that I want printable and downloadable. So they will give me based on what I want. It's loading. Yay! it's out. So this the downloadable version of it. Download Nigeria weekly meal plan based on the ingredients I gave them. Once I click on it, it will download straight to my phone, gallery. See the timetable sitting pretty on my download. So let's open it and see how it comes out. Wow, see my Nigerian timetable based on the meal I gave, starting from Monday to Sunday, and each day having breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Also, each course of meal, breakfast, they gave me like two options to choose from. Lunch, the same thing, together with dinner. So I don't have anything to worry about again when it comes to meal planning. I will just print it out and paste it on the wall of my kitchen. If you really want me to show you how it later came out, please drop your comment. And if you want to give this a trial too, drop your comment. You can even leave it in your phone and be checking it whenever there is need to plan a meal. With time, you get used to it. You don't even need to go there again. You know what you have to plan on Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Has this video been helpful to you? It's high time you reciprocate by liking the video and sharing it to as many mommies as possible, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for watching.